Everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And today what we're going to discuss is this work from home online opportunity that has been going extremely ballistic. I've been in this opportunity now for 6 months, and I wanted to just let you guys know that it's still going strong. If you guys have not heard of Infinity Processing System, you want to stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share with you results, how to get started, and what to expect when you join this opportunity. This, again, is a work from home opportunity if you're looking to earn an additional income, or if you are looking to replace your income. This is something that you can actually do from the comfort of your home. It's newbie friendly. And not only that, it's going to give you exactly what to do step by step. So I want to share with you some proof first, because I was excited. I had some payments come in that I did not expect. And I love it when I have payments come in and it's kind of like random, right? This is what allows you to generate an income from home, basically consistently on autopilot. So here I had a payment that was 3 days ago for $300 from this opportunity. And if we just refresh here, this just gives you basically different payments that I had come in. So like all of these here are payments that came in for $300. Here's one payment for $300. If I hit this button, this is another payment for $300. Here is another payment for $300. And as you can see, it's really consistent. I also had a payment that came in recently for $50 from this opportunity. And here's on August 21st. This is a payment that came in. We also have here on the 17th, another, well, it's just $29.97. That's a different program. But just there itself, that shows you the consistency that's with this opportunity. And all of these merchant email receipts are payments that come in from the opportunities that I promote. So I mainly promote Infinity Processing System. And the reason why is because the owner that created this system is consistent online. She's the person that helped me to get started when I first got into the industry, and someone that I really look up to and I follow. And that was back in 2015. She's very consistent within the online space, and she is a hands-on affiliate marketer. And that's what you want in this industry, someone that's hands-on, that can really guide you and teach you exactly what to do and how systems work. So when you come in and you get started, you're going to get a website that looks just like this. You do not have to set this up yourself. For $25, they're going to set up this website for you. They're going to add your picture. They're going to add your social media link if you have one, and then some information about the opportunity. So basically how it works is you're going to get plugged in by starting at a level that you feel most comfortable with. You're going to get the ads to post, and you're going to use these ads on social media for free. So the ads come with the program. Depending on what system you set up, decide to get in with, that's how many ads you're going to receive. And then you're going to get paid. So you're going to collect 100% commissions straight to your account. And this is, again, guys, a one-time payment. So you're going to pay one time to get in at either the $50 level, the $150 or the $300 level. And the difference between the three is basically how many ads you're going to receive to post. This includes marketing ads and bonus image ads. Okay. So you're going to be able to download these ads and use them to start to gain some traction within the online space. And then you can actually start earning the more consistent you are with the system. Now, I just want to put in this disclaimer. Your results are based off of your efforts. You may make more than me or less than me, depending on how consistent you are and how much time you can put into the system. Now, I always recommend that when you get started with an opportunity, that you have at least an hour to 2 hours per day, 4 to 5 days a week. If you can contribute that much time, you will start to build momentum within your business. Okay. So in the description below, it has the link so that you can basically see what you get for each level. Okay. And again, you're going to pay $25 one-time fee for your website. And then whatever level you decide to get on is how much you're going to pay to get access to the things and the bonuses that are under each level. Okay. So another thing that I want to talk about that I really don't discuss much is what to do after you get your website, you get your sales page. You want to get a capture page. And I'm going to show you for my team and my team only the different capture pages that you can receive when you get your capture page. Okay. When you actually purchase the system. So we have this capture page, and the capture page just basically captures an email address so that you can send out emails to people on autopilot in the event they don't buy the first time that they see your opportunity. Okay. And there's a lot of times where people, they may click on a link and they may not buy it right away. They're waiting to get paid. Maybe they need to wait a week or 2 weeks. So you want to keep reminding them about your system. And a way to do so is by getting a capture page. Again, this is going to get set up for you. You do not need to set this up yourself. So this is one of the capture pages. And it says just free video, how to build a massive money making list that converts like crazy on complete autopilot. They put in their email address, they hit show me how, and then that's going to take them directly to your sales page where they can click on the link to buy into this digital product. Okay. So then we have here this capture page, which says the $300 per day blueprint. It is very similar to, and it looks a lot like the sales page. So it's kind of like it goes with the sales page. And it's just basically a little saying the easiest system you will ever find that can pay you $300 per day or more by posting these simple pre-written ads. Now this you can get created for you. It has a little bit of, like, you can see a $100 bill in the background. It's kind of like really faded, but this is another capture page that you can use, and you can actually get this one instead if you don't like the first one. Again, this will be where people can put in their email address to receive emails in the event they do not buy the first time around. And then we have this one, which is the black, white, and red. And this is just basically another capture page that you can use. Again, once they put their email address in, it'll go directly to the sales page. So you can choose from any one of these 3 capture pages once you are a member and you make your purchase into Infinity Processing System. Okay. And again, you want to use this hand in hand with your sales page. Why? Because sometimes people, they see your sales page, they may not be ready to buy right away. Why not capture their information so that they can get a reminder when they get paid, they can go in and make a purchase. Okay. And again, this is not going to happen without a capture page. If you have a capture page, you cannot capture emails. You cannot send out reminder messages for people to come and take a look again. And that's why it's important to use a capture page. Again, this will be set up when you come into my team, when you get started. The link below will give you all of the details about Infinity Processing System. You can go in and watch the videos, get familiar with the way that it works. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Okay. I'm looking to help people to earn a full-time income from home like I do. I'm sitting here in my home office, and what I do full-time is I teach others how to earn online. But not only that, I am able to build a full-time income from home using systems like this that allow people to create wealth and also create a full-time income and give people time freedom. That's what I'm here for. It's time freedom. So again, if you're interested, the link is below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great night.